Hi guys, in this video we're gonna go over how CSS grid works. First, I'm gonna create a file with the name grid underscore columns.html. We will generate our boilerplate HTML here. We change the title to columns and add some style tags. Let's go ahead and create a div with the class parent and add to it 3 child div. Let's add some style to them. Let's save this and see what it looks like on the browser. So to make this a grid layout, all what you need to do is to add the display property with the value grid. If we save this and look, nothing happens. To see some changes, we need to add a grid template columns. In this property, we can specify how many columns we want and also the width of those columns. So let's say we want 3 columns with the width of 300 pixels each. We add it this way. Let's see what happens if we add a bunch of child div. They will automatically wrap up into the next row because we specify that it can only be 3 columns. As you can see, the child elements don't go all the way across its container, which is the viewport. So to change this, we can add auto in the place of 300 pixels. There is a better way to do that. We use repeat. It takes 2 arguments. The first, the number of repetition of the columns, and the second is the width of the columns. When it comes to CSS grid, the common width unit used is FR, fraction. Basically, it is a fraction of the viewport. So if we put 1 FR for the first column, and 2 FR for the second column, and 1 FR for the third column, and save, you can see that the second one is larger than the other two. Another thing, if you want to add some margin, we can use a grid property called grid gap, and it works like a charm. Before we stop the video, I'm gonna show you how simple it is. Say if you want to create a layout with the side menu and the main container. All what you need to do, first, let's change the HTML markup. Let's give 1 FR to the side menu and 3 FR to the main container and save. Look, it's so easy to do. In the next video, we're gonna learn grid rows. So don't forget to share, like and subscribe.